Search for the free Master Lock Vault eLocks app in the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Download, install, and open the app. Once you're logged in, scroll through the introduction screens. Now create a new Master Lock Vault account, or log into an existing account if you are already a Master Lock Vault user. Make sure to enable location services and enable notifications in your Master Lock eLocks app. Select Add a Lock and enter your lock's activation code when prompted. And then select Continue. Your new lock will now show up in your lock list.